Horse leather industry exposed. From farm to factory, this is how million-dollar products are made.
Every material has an origin. For horse leather, that origin is the farm.
Leather is never the purpose of their lives. Care is not optional. It is a responsibility.
Welfare is enforced, not assumed.
Horse leather is sourced strictly as a byproduct after an Arabian horse's natural working life.
The next chapter begins.
Each breed carries unique physical characteristics.
Strength is built through life, not force.
Each Frisian horse is identified and tracked throughout its life. Accountability, traceability.
Ethics are enforced through law.
What began in nature now enters industry. Nothing moves without approval. This is where nature meets industry. This is the first industrial step.
Nothing enters without verification.
Standards do not relax at the gate. From this point, paths begin to differ.
This is where transformation truly begins.
Transformation begins with preparation. Water reawakens the structure of the hide. Time replaces chemicals in this process. Patience preserves quality. Balance is restored after transformation.
Luxury cannot be rushed.
The foundation is now set.
Perfection is guided, not forced.
Color begins as a controlled formula.
True color comes from absorption, not coating.
Color must settle before it can last. This step defines how leather will age.
The material is now complete.
Every cut is decided before it is made. Precision begins with the first cut. Assembly begins before the needle moves. Millimeters decide comfort and durability.
Durability is designed, not hoped for.
The product now speaks for itself.
Luxury lives in what most people never see.
This skill cannot be automated.
Look right here. The color consistency is slightly off on this section.
I see it.
Let's make a note before we check the grain.
This is where standards are enforced.
Strength must be proven.
Endurance defines longevity.
Weak edges fail silently.
Color must endure time. Every component carries responsibility.
This decision cannot be automated.
Approval is earned. A name is never applied lightly.
Branding must respect the material.
1 second of pressure defines decades of identity.
Luxury begins with anticipation.
Protection is part of quality.
Luxury travels with paperwork.
Even waiting is controlled. Craftsmanship knows no borders. The journey nears its end.
Ensure the tension is correct on that middle strap.
Already checked, Foreman. It's secure.
Excellent. Let's get this container sealed.
Raw leather is only the beginning of value.
Time is the most expensive ingredient. Perfection demands sacrifice. Value is as much perception as production.
Scarcity drives value.
This is not leather. This is legacy.
Value does not always depreciate.
This is how million-dollar products are made.
Price is built layer by layer.
Few materials are as misunderstood as horse leather.
One of the most common myths claims thoroughbred horses are raised specifically for leather.
Horse leather is legally sourced as a byproduct after the animal's agricultural life. No system allows otherwise.
Context changes everything.
Ethics require facts, not assumptions.
Compliance is constant.
Public reaction shapes corporate choices.
Confidence is everything.
Truth does not hide.
Understanding requires seeing the entire system, not isolated moments.
Every step we witnessed exists right now, every day.
Nothing here stands alone.
This industry is built by people, not machines alone. Nothing here happens by accident.
This is the unseen side of production.
This is what reality looks like. Value is built long before a price tag. This is not a concept. It is operational. Judgment without context is incomplete. This is how horse leather is made.